Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel RM Learning. In this video, we will see 10 lines essay on Blue Mosque. Point number 1. The Blue Mosque is located in Istanbul, Turkey. Point number 2. It is also called the Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Point number 3. It was built between 1609 and 1616 by Sultan Ahmed I. Point number 4. The mosque is famous for its stunning blue tiles. Point number 5. It features a large central dome surrounded by smaller domes and 6 towering minars. Point number 6. It has a beautiful courtyard with fountains. Point number 7. It is one of Istanbul's top tourist attractions. Point number 8. The mosque combines elements of Ottoman, Byzantine, and Islamic architectural styles. Point number 9. It has a large prayer hall that can hold thousands of worshippers. Point number 10. The Blue Mosque grand architecture and history make it an important part of Istanbul's culture. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe RM Learning for more educational videos.